live. We live, yo. Wilson TV. You know, we about to skip some rocks, yo. Like fuck it. We perfectly sober, yo.
Is it
Come
on
on.
us? Is it on you?
It's on you.
It's on you.
You go first, man.
Nah, you go.
No, come on. I want you to do first,
Go ahead.
I'll go first though.
Use man.
First we got Use Man, the brand new coupe, man.
Ooh, it did do that.
All right, go ahead,
aerodynamic
Trees.
I get that a 7. What the fuck?
Get her the
I'm
fuck
sure
out of here.
that
Come on.
will work.
All right,
It
here
was
from
a
me.
nice one.
Oh, what the fuck? Yeah.
You know, this video record for days, so you know.
Let me see.
You wanna be the cameraman?
Yeah.
Don't put me on camera. I look like shit.
Ooh, that shit was nice. You see that, Latrice?
Yeah, I seen that shit.
Brielle don't remember she ran away.
Shout out Kasim.
Look at Kasim.
Sport, it'd be over.
Oh my god, I'm about to murder this right here.
Oh shit!
That thing went far as shit. Oh my gosh.
Did you see that? It like curved, yo.
Oh, snap.
It like curved.
Wilson TV, yo. I think we about to sign off. Y'all still going, yo?
I got one more left in me. He said I got one more left.
One more good one left in me.
Is this flat, man?
I guess I'm
Ah, this is big as
I know you passing that, right?
Yeah. Watch me, Lou. Watch me. Lou, watch me. Lou.
You
is whack.
But that was a big ass rock, Brielle.
Get shot.
No, I was just saying.
You gotta see the other video where we snapped though. We did some hot shit.
Oh, I see lighter.
Didn't you just have it on?
You keep asking for lighters.
No, she took it, bitch.
You know this is you know you on camera right now, right?
Fuck my life. Fuck your
You can't be smoking. How old are you?
Yo, you're boofing her.
18.
Nigga snitching. Oh shit! It was a big ass.
Get that shit on camera. Boop Boop TV, Mano on the track, Boop TV. Mano on the track of real songs, Boop TV combined.
Collaboration.
What? Can I have some Red Bull?
Oh, come on, man. Come on.
No!
Yo, I have the sour taste of drugs in my mouth, man.
Give me the Red Bull.
Hold on, let me get
the
it.
Red Bull.
I got service
Give me the Red Bull. Give me the Red Bull.
Chill.
All right,
You're
yo.
trying to make me
All right,
hot.
we do one thing and we out. Get shot.
Y'all want to see me do a cartwheel?
It's like, nah, I'm lying. We still recording.
Y'all want to see me do a cartwheel on the
We're not recording, are we?
Yeah, I'm recording. This,
in the water.
Okay, shut the fuck up, dummy.
this the 12. God, Lou, you sat down slow as a bitch. God.
Like I was a grandma.
Hey. Shout out, Lou.
Yo,
You
get out
be
of
drowning in that
here.
bitch.
Shout out Vonna Cooper.
Alligators
in that
I'm not going in that water.
Let's go.
Scary back there.
Let's go, Lou. Let's
Thornberg and them took the boat out here, yo. The little
It's a
canoe,
dive
they're
boat.
chopped.
They're chopped.
Yeah,
That
they
shit
really
flipped.
did that,
An
yeah.
alligator from Lake Placid is coming
Lake
out.
Placid?
I
Yo.
know they got them out
Buzz.
Lake Placid.
Alligators.
Woulda came back for you.
Will, you can't
I
sing.
just
Like,
needed
Why you got
time
it on the self?
Do
Joe?
I
to
know.
do what
You
I
can see
had
yourself.
to do.
This nigga sound like Ja Rule.
Caught in the
Yo, nigga, shut up.
Oh, no, she
You
smacked
always
snack your
talking
poopy
that
off.
dumb stuff.
Come on,
Like,
man.
dog, chill with all that. I just do it, guys.
Can I see?
Can I put it on?
Yeah.
Look, let me hit a little rap for you. Wait, you see what he look like? Now let me hit a rap.
Will,
You look like
Will, I
Snoopy
got
Doopy
confession.
Dog.
What?
You're so fucking hot.
I got a question. I got a confession.
A confession?
Yeah.
What?
Remember your Red Bull that night? So I took it. And I
Oh, the same way you have that one right now that I didn't even.
So I took it when me and Maine went to his house. I took it and I put it in and I took it and I was drinking it. And then when we got back out the car, come back to the room, I forgot to bring it back upstairs.
So where is it?
Oh, when we went back downstairs to go to Dunkin' Donuts with me and UC and Sharice and Melissa went, I drank the rest of it. And then I left the can in my car.
Oh, it took you 5 days to. Yo, that's fucked up, Latrice. Give me that shit. Yo, you owe me. I'm not giving you gas money now.
You talk so fucking
I'm
dumb.
not giving you gas money.
You talk so dumb.
That Red Bull is $5.
She needed a walk.
Oh,
I'm about to go out to there too.
Brielle!
What's up with it?
No, go. Somebody go check.
Somebody go get Brielle.
No, don't.
William, how's the view over there, William?
It's beautiful over here, Use.
Will,
It's beautiful, so I looked over there.
this shit moves. Oh.
I guess niggas